Hello everyone. I wanted to tell you about a new option on Novelist to restrict your search to authors who identify as non-binary or transgender. So we're going to start off at the George J website, hover over Library and Resources and go to the library site. We'll go to our digital library and ebooks today. Now we're going to look at Novelist here. You'll notice that there's a lock sign on there. So if you haven't signed in already, you'll need to go down to this section and get the password, okay? So I've already entered my password, so I will sign in. All right, so this is the main page. You can select books by genre, by what they kind of talk about, scary books, happy books, that kind of thing. Fiction and nonfiction, and age. Fairly limited right now, but so cool if you head to the advanced search section. There are tons more options. So I do recommend limiting to your age group. That's one of the first things I usually do. But then you can be more specific if you want, just right here. But here is the section that I wanted to highlight today. Now this is a big step forward for Novelist. It used to just say male and female, and now there are non-binary and transgender options. So if you want to focus on authors who identify as non-binary or transgender, you can select one or the other, or both. You can just hold and click as you go. I mean, click and hold as you go. There we go. Or you can control click to get them both. I realize this doesn't include all gender identities, and so there's still work to be done there, and I want to acknowledge that, but I'm really glad to see that there is more than just a binary option now. So when you do this search, you'll see, here we go. We've got 33 results of books written by authors who identify as non-binary or transgender. So that is pretty cool. And really nice to be able to see yourselves in more of the literature, which I think is super duper important in life. We also have some of these books in our library, by the way, in our physical library. So when you get back there, hopefully you'll get a chance to read some of these in person as well. So I hope you enjoy, and happy Rainbow Week.